the soil to grow corn. We need to wash the fertilizer spreader truck. Ready. Let's assemble a pre-sowing unit. Drag the part to the right place. You're doing really great. Now we need to fuel the pre-sowing unit. Put the refueling gun in the tank. Keep it up. Let's prepare the soil for planting seeds. Now let's wash the pre-sowing unit. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble a covered truck. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the covered truck. Done! Let's buy corn seeds for popcorn. And now let's wash the covered truck. Run the washer over the machine to clean up the rest of the foam. Don't stop. First, let's assemble a seeding machine. Drag the part to the right place. Don't stop. Now we need to fuel the seeding machine. Drag the refueling gun to the tank. Keep up the good work. Let's sow the field with corn. Let's wash the seeding machine. Ready. First, let's assemble a rotary spreader truck. Done! Now we need to fuel the rotary spreader truck. You're doing really great. Let's loosen the soil and add fertilizer for young sprouts. We need to wash the rotary spreader truck. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a sprayer truck. Keep up the good work. We need to fuel the sprayer truck. Done! Let's water the corn crop. Let's wash the sprayer truck. Keep up the good work. First, let's assemble a harrow tractor. Amazing! First, let's fuel the harrow tractor. Don't stop. Let's remove weeds from the field. And now let's wash the harrow tractor. Ready. Let's assemble a pollinating machine. Let's fuel the pollinating machine. You're doing really great. Let's pollinate the blooming corn to get more crop. Let's wash the pollinating machine. We did it! We need to assemble a corn cob harvester. Amazing! let's fuel the corn cob harvester. Don't stop! The corn is ripe. It's time to harvest it. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Let's wash the corn cob harvester. Hooray! First, let's assemble a grain truck. Ready. And now we need to fuel the grain truck. Drag the refueling gun to the tank. You're doing really great. We need to dry the grain to get tasty popcorn. Let's load the grain into the elevator. And now let's wash the grain truck. Keep it up. Let's assemble a soil sampling car. Hooray! First, let's fuel the soil sampling car. You're doing really great. Let's clean the grain from trash. We need to wash the soil sampling car. Keep it up. We need to assemble a truck. Let's fuel the truck. Keep it up. Let's pack the grain and prepare it for transportation. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Let's wash the truck. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble a market truck. Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the market truck. Put the refueling gun in the tank. Don't stop. Let's make popcorn from the grain we've got. Tap the screen to keep building. Great! You've managed to make tasty popcorn.